Welcome to RZ Technology World. Today we show you $200 budget PC build. Please watching full video without skip. Let's get started. Building a PC with a budget of $200 can be challenging, as it is a relatively low budget for a full system. However, the AMD Athlon 3000G processor is a budget-friendly dual-core processor designed for entry-level desktop systems. The Athlon 3000G has a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz, which means each core operates at this frequency under normal conditions. It also has a boost clock of 3.9 GHz, which allows for increased performance when needed. The Vega 3 graphics has 3 compute units and operates at a maximum frequency of 1100 MHz. Then come to motherboard. It is based on the AMD A320 chipset. The A320 chipset provides essential features for a reliable system and supports basic functionality like PCIe slots, USB ports, SATA connectors, and audio capabilities. The motherboard has 2 DDR4 DIMM slots supporting a maximum memory capacity of up to 32 GB. It supports DDR4 memory modules with speeds of 3200 MHz, OC, 2933 MHz, OC, 2667 MHz. Next come to RAM. The module operates at a frequency of 3000 MHz, which indicates the speed at which data can be transferred to and from the module. Higher frequencies generally result in faster performance. Next come to SSD. Kingston 250GB A2000M.2 2218 internal SSD PCIe up to 2000 MB per second with full security suite SA2000M8/250G. The A2000 series is known for its affordability and performance, making it a popular choice for users looking to upgrade their storage solution. Then come to power supply. The AVGA 450BT is a power supply unit, PSU, manufactured by AVGA. It is a 450-watt power supply with an 80+ bronze efficiency rating. The AVGA 450BT has a maximum power output of 450 watts. This wattage indicates the amount of power the PSU can deliver to your computer components.
The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX is a compact computer case designed for small form factor builds. The Q300L is a Micro ATX case, which means it supports Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards.
Tell me in the comment box which budget PC you want to see next. And please subscribe our channel, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.